Okay, everybody, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Show. Welcome to the Johndy Lewis Show, the Johndy Lewis Academy. Give your lifestyle a fresh start and create abundance. So, last night I did a video on this, and one of the special reasons why I did a video, because I want to demonstrate to you guys the power of knowing what you're doing. Okay, so we saw that price was at a consolidation for XAU USD, which is gold versus the US dollar. So I saw price was maybe here, somewhere around here. So I saw this. So you can see this little yellow thing right here. So I placed the buy. Just give me a 392, but I took it to the 1860 flat, because it's a psychological level. I know once you get up this way, hold on, let me put my phone on do not disturb for a second. When you get to like 860 psychological level, this is a bank level, you get a lot of interesting things happen, right? So yeah, it'll dance around there. And if you go check my last video, I explained that it would do something like that at the bottom, probably dance around and boost up, retest and boost up, or bounce around and bounce back down. So what he did was, and I said that it's gonna always, when you see this, let me show you a bar replay. I think I can do it. I gotta break down to less than, yep, got it on the 4 hours. I ain't got, like I told you, I ain't paid for this. So anyway, this right here. But once I saw that, I created the two squares. I put one at the bottom. I cloned this, one at the bottom, one at the top, because I know that what price is gonna do. Now price is gonna go up here, reject this at the top, come back to the consolidation, or come down and go down, get back up here, do the same thing, continue down, go down. So this one, it broke the consolidation and it closed above 1800. So now, and it's above the moving average. So now I'm looking for buy. Let me move this because this is already done. Remember, I placed this. I had actually on my last video about foreign exchange. I actually, which was last night, I actually purchased this online. As you can see, if you go back and watch the video, you're gonna see I purchased it, and I took profit here at the arrow at the 1800, and I just explained the specific reason why. So now it broke down. So now what I'm expecting it to retest, which is what it's doing now. Retest the 1800. Now it's gonna do one or two things, right? Like I always say, it's either going to play around here a little bit, just bounce and go up. You know what I'm saying? Right here, might do something like this, might play around here a little bit. Bam, 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 bam. Up to the trenches. Okay, so if that would happen, right? Just retest. Bomb. You always take profit at the top. Right here. Once you get back up there, you take it conservatively or aggressively. You try to catch it down here if you get losing signals. Okay, and in this particular pair, if you conservatively, you would be looking to take a buy right here, somewhere right here. Okay, once you get there, and then you can take it to the, you could really, because it 1860, you could take it to 1870, 1880. So I would need for it to close, cover, because remember 1860, you got 1870. All of these are really, all of 1870 is a psychological level. You know what I'm saying? But we're not doing all that, because but you could take it to 1780, 1790. But me, if it breaks the retest, I'm probably gonna because I gotta worry about these psychological 1890, 1900, 1910. I could take it to this next level right here and play it by ear, let it bounce, go to the next psychological level. So I'm expecting it to go up the psychological level somewhere right here. Okay. Before it start doing anything, then I could decide if it would have to break up here, retest before I could take it to 1997. And if once it break this, I'm really gonna aim for 27 too. But like I said, it might take a few months to get up there, right? But right now we here. It's a downtrend, obviously. On a short-term trend, but it's still an uptrend though. Because for it to be a downtrend, it would have to break this low, I would say. It hasn't. Well, I guess this low. Well, I guess it has breaking it. Okay, yep, it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend, but I think on a weekly overall, it's really an uptrend. And yep, you would have to break it down here to be a downtrend. All right, and it's trading below the moving average and the moving average cross, which indicate that gold might actually still be going down. So I'm counting this little pull up right here as a pullback, and I'm looking for it to maybe go back up, retest this trend line right here, which will give you 1, 2, 3. Label it. This would be A. Yep, and this would be C. And I'm not saying it's gonna go exactly here, but it's gonna touch somewhere at C. And once it get up there, because we're not up there yet, once it get up there, I'm gonna be looking for it to do something like this. Man, I'm teaching you guys this shit, man. Look, I'm gonna go to this level, right? And then ultimately this level. But like I said, I play it by ear, and I'm saying, like, if it gets up here, it shows me like resistant levels. Of course I'm gonna sell, you know what I'm saying? Like, we play by ear, because like I told you, definitely an uptrend. It's definitely an uptrend on the 4 hour. So I'm really only looking for sales. Broke this trend line, so I guess you keep it because it could come back. 1 hour. Okay, it just bounced off the 1800. It looked like, I don't know. I ain't gonna be here. I gotta go. So like I said, looking for it to do it. It could do this or come back down here. It could close back here, retest it down to the trenches. Plenty ways to play this, man. Plenty ways. Plenty ways. All right. Now you could just go back and watch my other 2 videos where I show you how I did this. I had to show you how the type of trader that I am. I'm a structural trader. I trade on structures on patterns, right? Structure mean that I trade uptrends, downtrends, and I stay out of consolidation because I'm not a scalper. I'm not good at scalping at all. I can scalp, but I don't have the mental fortitude or the discipline to be a scalper. I just don't like the up and down, the constant fake outs. So I'm more of a day trader and a swing trader. I trade all of these right here are psychological. These are major psychological lines. I trade the psychological line structure, meaning that price is going, like, let's look at this uptrend right here, right? I keep this. Okay, it's all right. So you can see everything. Okay, so look, right? So you got this. This is an uptrend, right? Right? This is an uptrend, as you can tell, right? So an uptrend is made by lower highs and higher lows. This is a lower low. This a higher high, right? And this is a lower high. The why I just call it lower high, I've already explained it, but I'm gonna just, because it's lower than the last high, but higher than the last low. Why it's higher low? Because it's higher than the last low, but lower than the last high. You got higher high, meaning it's higher than this low. It's higher than the last high, and higher than the last high and the last low. That's why it's called high. Okay, and then so continue to go up, and then you know and remember, all up downs is with pullbacks. You have pullbacks. So this one went up. It pulled back, right? It went up. So now, but then it closed below right here, which puts it at a downtrend because it broke structure. Structure mean that the last lower high, it broke, because now this is a lower low because it's lower than this last low. Okay, hope you understand. And then I trade on moving averages. That's it. I don't use no, except for I use the trend line, the psychological levels, the support and resistance, structure, and moving average, and just naked trading, just knowing what the market is doing. It looked to me like it's closing below 1800 right now. So, like I said, no, it's not. And so, damn, this looked like it's gonna be interesting. I would stop. Gotta go though. All right, have a good day, you guys.